Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day with Professor Emeritus Chaiken at University of Albany, his brother Joel Chaiken, me. We're here to help you understand how to approach SAT math questions. So this is a question on the calculator side, and here we go. So obviously you have a chart, results of the bar exam. So in other words, like they're trying to see whether it makes sense to take a review course or not, see whether there's a relationship between review class and passing a test. The above summarize the results of some 200 law school graduates who took the bar exam. If one of the survey graduates who passed the bar exam is chosen at random for an interview, what is the probability that the person chosen did not take the review class? Well,
okay. So we're interested. Okay, where's my blue thing? We are something. Why is this thing? Well, circle the column for passing the bar exam.
Passing the bar exam. That's this column. Okay.
Yeah, and so we're surveying graduates who passed the bar exam.
Right.
That's what the question's about.
Yeah, right, exactly.
And then among those, we're interested in the probability that the person did not take the review course.
So that's this one.
Yeah, it's a matter. We have 18 people. Well, we have 18 plus 7 people we're interested in.
Right.
And 7 did not take the review course. The 18 did take the review course. So we're looking at the number called the numeric probability that with those we picking someone at random from those. How much? 18 plus 7 people, 25 people. The probability that you picked one of the 7 unlucky ones who failed the exam. Oh, sorry, seven ones who I'm sorry, I misspoke. We're looking at you pick the people in the first column, and we want to pick one at random, and the probability that the one we pick at random is one of the 7 out of the total. The total is 25, right?
Well, yes and no. I think we have to be careful.
The total that we're interested in is those who passed the bar exam.
Wait.
Those who passed the bar exam is what we're choosing at random from. And so what you should do is cross out, obliterate, destroy, fire, throw out of the law profession the people who did not pass the bar exam. And ignore them.
Wait. Versus 7 out of 200.
No, 200.
Wait,
those 200.
Stop.
Those 75.
Wait, stop. I want to read this question carefully. Seth, I want to read the question carefully. Because we have to see what it's out of. Right? Okay. First of all, what is probability?
What it's out of.
Probability is the good thing over everything, every possibility. The possibility is to make you happy, divided by all the possibilities in the world, okay?
No, all the possibilities that are stated in the problem.
Yeah, I know, but that's the world. Right now, the world is your problem. Okay?
Well, the world of this problem.
Right, that's what I mean.
Is those graduates, and I'm going to read it word by word, passed the bar exam.
Well, we know that's 7. Oh, no. Wait, stop. Let me read this a little slow, okay?
Yeah.
The question is it which one? Everyone, raise your hand. Which one do you think it is? Okay. Okay, the survey, I'm going to read this really carefully now. The table above summarizes the results of 200 law school graduates of the exam. If one of the survey graduates who passed the bar exam...
Stop. Say who. One of the survey graduates... Who?
I know.
Pass.
Let me read it.
No, you didn't say who very long. You said who.
Okay. If one of the surveyed graduates who passed the exam.
No. Don't say who passed. Don't say who passed. Don't say it who passed. Say who passed the bar exam.
if one of the survey graduates who passed the bar exam, in other words, you're only surveying one of the people who passed. You're only surveying the people who passed. So I think
that's right.
I think that's right. I think that's right. But I want to get ahead of myself. You're only surveying the people who passed. You don't care less about the people who didn't pass. I agree.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Okay, well, I have to do it myself, too. I have to
understand. Do it. Yeah, everybody must do it themselves to make sense of it. Don't believe me.
Absolutely.
Who are you going to believe, me or my brother?
Sometimes I get it right, and sometimes you get it wrong, sometimes I get it wrong. Okay, you believe yourself after you've really thought about it. That's who you believe. You don't believe us.
That's right.
Believe yourself. Okay, if one of the survey graduates who passed the exam is chosen at random for an interview, so we'll only care about the people who passed, what is the probability that the person chosen did not take the review class? So you're right. It is 7 out of 25. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. So I don't think there's a need for us to. This is not a vague enough. We don't need to.
Yeah. This. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the thing is, this is what's called what's called conditional probability.
That's right. Conditional probability. It's also, don't they also call this marginal probabilities?
Yeah. It's the marginal distribution.
Yeah.
Of those who pass the bar exam.
The reason why they say margin is because you add up all these numbers and you put them in the margin. This is 100, if I can read it right, and this is something else. Oh, this also has to be
the margin is the margin is the column. Right. The margins of the review. Yeah, it's a distribution over taking versus non-taking of the review course. And then you marginalize over the first column.
I think a lot of people would have said this. I think at least, a third of the people, 20%?
Yeah, that's right. That's why they're testing this. They're testing a very special, unusual thing you would ask in real life.
Right.
Usually what people think of is the reverse. That you're looking at among people. If you're say be preparing for the bar exam. You're preparing for the bar exam, and you're wondering whether to take the review course or not. Right?
Yeah, right.
You would then compare the chances of those who took the review course for passing and the chances of those who didn't take the review course for passing. Okay? But that is different from what this question is asking.
Yeah. You really got to watch yourself on these table questions. This particular table question, if you know what you're doing, takes, there's no calculator. It takes about 5 seconds to do. But it doesn't take.
But again, no, don't talk about calculators. It's a conceptual question.
Right.
It is really weird. It's really weird for typical people to deal with, because you pass the bar exam. You walk in there. You pass, and you walk into to the exam room. Imagine this: you walk in one morning. And life up to then has passed by. You're happy, you were sad, you worked hard, you partied, you slept, you ate, all that stuff. You come in the morning, you go in the bar exam, and you pass it, right? Okay, you pass it. Well, does that have any effect on whether you had taken the review course?
I don't know.
How does taking the bar exam affect your chances of having taken the review course? Yeah, each person already either took it or not. It's a done deal.
Yeah, it's already a done deal,
Yeah. But this is so it's not something you think of calculating at first. Yeah.
Oh, right.
So this is
I see what you mean.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, right. That's right. Nobody would really think about asking this question. That's right.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
really got to watch yourself on table questions. If you're doing, if
Yeah,
you get
you
the
really
answer,
have to watch this. You really have to watch yourself on conditional probability questions.
yes, conditional, absolutely, very, really have to watch
They
yourself.
conditional probability means what the conditions are,
Yeah,
and not what you think applies to a situation.
yeah,
Of course, there when you go a little bit further, what happens is the conditional probabilities are those conditional probabilities are sometimes easier to observe, and then you could make guess you could estimate the other probabilities from that. But we're not going to talk about that for now because that's
so
a new topic.
let's just finish off with
Okay, let's finish off.
Let's just say, what is the question where 7 out of 200 is the answer? Because I think that'll be very useful. Because at least 20% of the people watching this video said 7 out of 200.
Yeah.
So what would be the question that would have 7 out of 200 be the answer? What's the probability of passing of
7 out of 200?
Yeah, what would be the question where 7 out of 200 would be the correct answer?
Okay.
What's the probability of?
Well, let's see.
Would be the probability of people who did not take the course and passed, compared to basically the population.
Everybody,
compared to everybody, yeah. Well, how would they say that fancy way?
Yeah, what would it be? I don't know. It's what it is. It's really, it's a measure of already of how much they knew out of school and how smart they were. How much whether those people who really don't need to pass, who really didn't need to review, it's a probability out of a whole population of law students.
Right. Okay. Well, if they change this, how about this? If one of the 200 students, okay, if one of the law school graduates, how about this? If one of the law school graduates who took the bar exam, that's how you would say it. If
don't say who. No.
No, who took the bar exam? Who took the bar exam?
No.
Yeah.
It's you pick a random law school graduate.
Yeah, who took the bar exam?
And you pick a random law school graduate and see if they pass the bar exam and see if they didn't take the review course.
Right.
If the answer was yes for both, then they're one of the 7.
Exactly. But we know the 7. The problem is, how do you get to 200? You just say.
Yeah. You take out of the whole population of law school graduates.
No, how do you word the problem? Who would say if one of
I think the only way is the way you say it. Those who both passed the exam and didn't take the review course.
No, but out of what? You don't understand what I'm asking.
Out of the total.
Yeah,
out
but
of all 4?
How do you just have the word total? You would say
yeah, okay. Not who, but all of the law school graduates, of which there are 200.
Yeah.
The probability of being one who passed the exam and didn't take the review course.
I know. But why can't you say you pick a random person of one of the law school graduates who took the exam? Why can't you say that? You could say that, right? One of the you literally say this.
That's a different story.
No, that's still to the 200. You say if one of the survey graduates if one of the law school graduates who took the exam.
Yeah, well, what you can do is like this. You say, probability that they didn't take the review.
And they pass.
But yeah, here's what you could do. Probability they didn't take the review, given that they passed,
No, not
times the probability that they passed,
so.
plus the probability that they didn't take the review, given that they failed, times the probability of failing.
What are you doing? We're just coming up with the question that would give 7
I
out of 10.
know. The thing is, I don't see any way of saying it other than we're looking at the total class of law school graduates.
Who took the bar exam?
No.
Why not? No.
We're also counting the ones who didn't take the bar exam. They go into the 200.
But that's not the table. The table summarized the results of 200 law students who took the bar exam.
Yeah, okay. They took the bar exam, right? And they passed. Yeah, sure. All right, yeah, certainly. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry. So the whole world is who took the bar exam. Sure, absolutely.
Yeah, but come to think of it, there's an inconsistency on this table. I can't believe they did this. Results of the bar exam of law school graduates. No, it's not. It's who took the exam. Oh, I guess it makes sense, right? Okay.
No, they did. No, the thing is, we are confusing took the exam versus not take the exam versus pass the exam or not pass the exam.
Yeah, so it's clear. It's obvious that these are people who took the exam. Otherwise, they wouldn't be there. Right? Results of the bar exam of law school students. So, of course, they took the exam.
Yeah. So, who took the bar exam?
Who took the bar exam? Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we agree. Okay.
Yeah. So it's 200 took the bar exam.
Who took the bar exam? Who took the bar exam?
Yeah.
Okay, that would be the answer to this. So anyway, it's really tricky. As Seth said, really be careful on creational probability.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we did it, right?
Right.
Yeah, I'm exhausted on this one.
Exhausted. So, that's a probability question.
Yeah. So then, please like us, dislike us, please give us comments. And if you have any SAT math questions you want us to do, send them to SATmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. Oh, this is exhausting.
Yeah.
I really got to read this carefully. Okay, everyone.
Oh, no.
Let's have a great day then. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Seth's still going.
Yeah.
He's still recovering. You can see Seth is also recovering from this one.
Uh-huh.
Okay, everyone. Take care. Bye.